everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you a very simple, easy, and quick shrimp recipe that you will all enjoy. So, if you want to know more about this recipe, just keep on watching. Here are our ingredients. First off, we put our butter and melt it in our pan. Next is we add our garlic, followed by the onion, and stir it frequently. And then after a few minutes, add the shrimp. Cook it for a while and mix it all together. Gently toss the shrimp with onions and garlic until pink. Then after a while, it's time to put our oyster sauce and ketchup. Mix everything together. And then add sugar, pour in your chili sauce according to your preference. Next is you add black pepper. Mix all together and let it simmer for a minute. Finally done, garnish with sliced green onions if desired. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys love this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye!